Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video tutorial we have another questions, and this is gonna be so much fun for solving this one. It is not really hard. Actually, we just convert 24 to 8 times with 3, okay, and then plus 2, so 18 we can write as 9 times 2 minus, so 80 could be written as 16 times 5, then all over, so 162 could be written as 81 times with 2, and then minus 180, so it can be written as 36 times 5, and then plus cube root of 81 could be written as 27 times with 3, and then now we will get 2 cube root of 3, and then plus with 2 times 3 square root of 2 minus 4 square root of 5, and then over 9 square root of 2 minus 6 square root of 5 plus 3 cube root of 3. Okay, so next we're going to take 2 in common for the numerator, so then we will get cube root of 3 and then plus 3 square root of 2 minus 2 square root of 5. For the denominator, we can take 3 in common, and then we will get 3 square root of 2, and then minus 2 square root of 5, and then plus cube root of 3, okay? So as we can see, the number of these factors and this factor which is the same, but it just right in this order, so we can arrange it in order, so in order to make it easier for us to see. So then I just write the numerator still the same, okay, and then we can arrange the denominator cube root of 3 and then plus 3 square root of 2 minus 2 square root of 5. Okay, so now it is easier for us to see that this number equal to this number, so then we will cancel it out, and then the answer will be 2 over 3. Okay, so now finally we have solved that the expression a here, which is equal to 2 over 3. Okay, I hope you can understand, and thank you so much for watching, and goodbye, see you in the next video.